Ahoy, salty sailors and catamaran enthusiasts. Welcome to the Catamaran Mentor. My name is Peter Rollo and we're here to guide you into purchasing a catamaran, live aboard, sail, refit and upgrade it. So in this video, we're excited to release our initial catamaran purchasing spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet to help you learn how to assess catamarans that are advertised for sale. It's the first step in the process. It gets all the basic details down, and then what I'm doing as your catamaran mentor is I'm commenting on those details on the catamaran. From here, you should be able to consider whether the catamaran is suitable for you and whether we're going to go to the next step, which could be a video survey with the owner or the listing broker and asking a lot more questions of the seller. So this 2004 Lagoon 570 for sale in Tahiti for $440,000 USD. It caught my eye because it's just been reduced from $495,000 to $440,000, and I've checked on Yacht World, and that is the cheapest listed Lagoon 570 on Yacht World. So hey, that's a great start, isn't it? I bought my Leopard 48 in Tahiti and sailed it away, and we still live aboard sailing around the world today. So there are some great deals to be had in Tahiti. It is a little bit tricky, but it compensates that for being a beautiful location to start out on, and because I've purchased that, I can help you through the hoops and the lumps and the ups and downs of getting started from Tahiti. It's a big, fast catamaran. It's long and sleek, and that's going to turn into water speed because of the hull length and the sleekness, and you still get accommodation because it's 57 feet and it's 30 foot wide. My Leopard 48 is a big boat and it's only 25 feet wide. So these are the things that caught my eyes on it. It's got all the live aboard comforts, water makers, generators, radars. It is aging a little bit, so it's starting to be due for some upgrades. So one of my ideas for this vessel is that you could enjoy Tahiti a bit, sail it down to Whangarei, New Zealand, which I think is the best place for a refit in the South Pacific. And that's where we exactly refitted our Leopard 48. So from this advertisement, a few decent questions have jumped into my mind. The carbon rotating mast sounds very cool, and I'm sure it adds to its sailing abilities. But I'd like to know if it was put on as an option when new, or if it was being replaced during the course of its ownership. If it's been replaced during the course of its ownership, it begs the question, what happened to the old mast? And also there is a few other bits of information that are starting to add into some questions. Why did the engines both have to be rebuilt? And I can see some different coloured paint on the floor and behind the engine room in the hull. Plus, maybe with that sprinkling of information that the owner is listing it cheap, does give me some questions that need further investigation about this hull. Hey, maybe with information, this would have no cause for concern, but that's what's popped up so far. I have asked the seller for this information on the history of it, but he is yet to reply to me. Any replies and any further information will be updated on the spreadsheet as it becomes available. So what sets our spreadsheet apart is its focus. It's got all the chunky important details, and then it's got me commenting down the side of it as to what those details might mean for your ownership of it. Getting access is simple as setting sail on a calm day. Just go to www.catamaranmentor.com, subscribe to a mailing list, and I'll send you out a link to get access to this spreadsheet. Now, of course, we're not brokers. We earn our income from video patrons or people booking private mentoring sessions when they want assistance to buy a catamaran. We are therefore not paid by the sellers ever. There's no biases, there's no conflict of interest. We're here to work for you. And there's no hooks with this spreadsheet. You can contact a broker directly, it's listed with multiple brokers, or you can even contact the seller directly, and their contact details are on the spreadsheet. And of course, if you want some assistance from us, you can contact us directly as well. So dive into the details today. Go to the website, I'll send you a link to the spreadsheet, and we're here to make your catamaran purchasing dreams smoother and easier by becoming an informed buyer with us. Fair winds and following seas, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.